This is a sheet of OSB, and to start this project, I'm going to have to drill a bunch of holes into it and fill them with different types of wood, and just keep doing that over and over again until there's no OSB showing. First of about 1,000. Now to make the plugs to fill all these holes, I don't actually have plug cutters big enough for a lot of the holes I drilled, so I took the centering bit out of a bunch of hole saws and I'm using those to make plugs. I am so sick of drilling holes. The hardest part of this build by far was just making the sheet to make the project, and now that that's over I can start rough cutting my pieces to make the actual project, the coffee table. Now that I have some more manageable sized pieces, I'm going to start working on making the individual parts of the coffee table. And to start, I'm going to make the tabletop, and for that I just needed to plane down one of these sections to get it flat. And I'm going to finish the parts individually as I go. So I finished the tabletop with some shellac and then just set it aside for later. Next I need to make the legs, so I cut out 4 18 by 8 inch sections to make the legs. And now I'm just cleaning up each of the pieces a little bit with the planer. And now you'll see how I turn these 4 leg sheets into actual legs with the circle pattern wrapping around them. You'll notice there's still a lot of spaces where there's OSB showing, and I filled those in off camera. Finally, the last piece I need to make were the stretchers that connect the legs, and that was pretty simple. I just needed to rip the last sheet into 3-inch strips and cut them to size to make the 4 stretchers. And again, I cleaned up my pieces with the planer before finishing them with shellac. Last thing I needed to do was just connect everything, and to do that I just used dowels.